Welcome back to my channel for another video. Okay guys, today's trade is on a pre-market position on the Dow Jones on the US Open. If you look back in my previous videos, you will see this setup time and time again. Okay, these pre-market positions are all based around support and resistance. Okay, support and resistance. If you're not familiar with support and resistance and you're new to the trading game, I strongly recommend that you gather as much intelligence and become educated in implementing this in your trading. You can use it for intraday trading, you can also use it for scalp trading. Okay, very important, support and resistance. Okay, so this trade, I've been doing this for years guys. At this stage, you look back and see how many videos I've done, pre-market positions on the Dow Jones. It's the same setup time and time again. 700 odd euro. Absolutely fantastic trade, okay, on the Dow Jones pre-market. Okay guys, before we crack on with the video, it's coming up for almost 2 years since I created the Sambora trading community. We continue to grow every single month on a regular basis. We've got a constant stream of new students coming in. Okay, there's a reason for it. Okay, there's a reason why this community has been running successfully for 2 years and continues to grow. Okay, so if you're interested in joining the Sambora trading community, you can email me, eduardosambora@yahoo.com, or you can DM me or follow me on Instagram, sambora.00. Okay guys, a little bit of a different video for you this week. There's no talking on this trade, just a little bit of music. Okay, so something a little bit different, just to bring something new, bring something different to this whole setup. Okay, so before I crack on, make sure you smash that like button, make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And as I said, if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's sambora.00. 2 years next month. I'm looking forward to the next 2 years. Okay, so hope you enjoy this week's video.